All right, y'all, last pack for today. I figured we got that 89 Fleer wax pack that we just opened up, thanks to McNulty Sports Cards. So let's keep the momentum going with another exciting pack, and this is going to be a 1989 Upper Deck foil pack. This is the last one I have, and this also came from McNulty Sports Cards. Let's see what we can find in this one. Hopefully this one has the Ken Griffey Jr. We'll see. All right, we start out with some cards that are turned around. Let's get them the right way. There we go. All right, Drew Hall, Jeff Robinson, Greg Swindell, Larry Herndon, Dave Smith. Looks like we've got some more cards, and there's our holographic cards. We'll drop those. Get to those in a minute. We've got Ed Romero, David Palmer. Look at those old headphones. All right, we've got the Texas, there we go, we've got the Texas Rangers. And this one is the New York Mets. I think I've gotten the Mets a few times now, actually. That's kind of blurry. I noticed some are a little bit clearer than others. John Dobson, Denny Walling, Kevin Gross, Pat Tabler. This pack ain't looking too great. Billy Ripken. We needed that in the 89 Fleer wax pack we just opened. But that's all right. We got him in the 89 Upper Deck. Guess beggars can't be choosers, right? Got ourselves a checklist. Good deal on the checklist. Jeff Robinson. And finally, Jim Gott. All right, we struck out, but still fun to open up 89 Upper Deck. A lot of fun to open up. We got the Mets and the Rangers for our little hologram cards. So 1989 Upper Deck 15 card foil pack. And that'll be it for today, folks. Thanks for watching.